Ready to unlock a world of amazing deals on Taobao, but feeling a little lost when it comes to paying with Alipay? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, open your Alipay app and tap on the profile icon, typically located in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your account settings. Next, find and select the bank cards option. This is where you'll link your bank account for easy payments. Now, tap on the Add Bank Card button. You'll need to enter your bank card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Alipay may require you to verify your identity. This usually involves providing your passport information or other forms of identification. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Head over to Taobao and find that item you've been eyeing. Click on the Buy Now button to proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, choose Alipay as your preferred payment method. You may need to log into your Alipay account again for security. Review your order details and confirm the payment. You might need to enter your Alipay password or use biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition. Congratulations, your payment is complete. You'll see an order confirmation on Taobao, and you'll receive a notification from Alipay confirming the transaction. Now just sit back, relax, and wait for your awesome Taobao goodies to arrive.